Hey, how's it going, everybody? Ramon here, and I just want to say a big thank you to you all and a congratulations to me. Today we finally hit 17,000 subscribers. So the plan was to originally do a 10,000 subscriber episode, but as you all know, last week something out of the ordinary happened. More specifically, during the Duke Ocean Fest, I was able to capture a rescue that went viral on social media. I think right now it has 5 million views, and ever since then it's just been skyrocketing my channel and growing my channel. So a big thank you to the YouTube algorithm and all of you who decided to hit the subscribe button because you want to learn more about surfing on Oahu, or you were born and raised in Hawaii and watching my channel brings back memories of home, or just people who were maybe in college or the military or traveling through Hawaii at one point, and you just want to see what's currently happening in the surf scene, and just get some type of memory or piece of home watching the ocean. So that's the purpose of this channel. I'm just a regular person, an average surfer who also happens to be really good with a camera, and I love capturing waves and memories out on the beach and sharing it with you guys. So with 17,000 subscribers going into the winter 2024-25 season on the North Shore, it's super exciting to come back with a bigger audience. My ultimate plan this year is to hit 50,000 subscribers and maybe even hit 100,000 by next summer, but who knows? That's a long ways away. I like taking baby steps, so we'll see how things go. But with that being said, in today's episode, we're gonna look back at some of the most epic moments of spring 2024, winter 23, and show you guys some of my favorite clips from the most recent 4 or 5 years. So stick around for the action, and as always, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to stay up to date with all things surf on the island of Oahu. Aloha. guys, Ramon here. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date with what's happening here on Oahu. If you would like to watch more videos, check out our playlist. And last but not least, consider becoming a member of the O'ahu Surf Films Ohana.